Good evening to all. I welcome each one of you to yet another playlist of mine titled as Data Visualizations using the Python libraries under the banner of GFJS Research Center. Now, in this particular playlist of mine, you would see that there are various videos which have been recorded and uploaded in order to know more about the visualizations that we can use in various ways, especially using some of the Python libraries like numpys, ggplot, matplotlib, cbon, plotly, pandas, bokeh, gleam, plot9, ggplot, pygal, ladder, altar, then folium, missing no, geoplotlib, and skykit. And you will see that each one of them has got its own I would say identification, and you will see that the world is full of the data visualizations which we can undergo and identify under the different libraries that I have just listed below. Now, in what my agenda would be is that in each of the videos, I would be picking up one of the Python library, and we would dwell definitely into the world, understanding as to why these packages are being used, and number one. Number two, how to even use each one of these libraries, I should say the packages, number one, that you're going to install and use them specially. Now, when I was under, I should say, taking care of the other workshop of mine titled as Data Visualizations using the Shiny apps, which most probably I would be coming up again as my videos which would be uploaded under that particular playlist, you would see that our studio itself has got a lot of things. However, we cannot go ahead and say that yes, we cannot do the similar kind of a thing in Python also. So this is with this intention, I would say I would love to jump in and go ahead with the videos which are going to be uploaded under the title of Data Visualizations through Python. So let us welcome each one of us to this playlist and try to explore more and more in order to understand the world of the data visualizations using the Python libraries. Till then, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.